Hello and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like these tech and gadget unboxings, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Smash it with the notification bell so you know when we have new videos being posted. Today we're looking at the Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones. Okay, today we're looking at the Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I bought these with my own money and I'm bringing them to you so that you can see the value or potential value in a budget pair of Bluetooth wireless earphones. This is going to be a two-part series. The first part will be the unboxing and the initial reviews, looking at the build, looking at some of the specs. The second part of the video will be the real-life usage of the earphones to see how they sound, how they stack up, how they fit, are they practical, is it worth the price, and that's what we'll be looking at in the next video. But this one we're going to do an unboxing, so let's get right to it. This is the box. I like the branding. Mpow. Mpow is known for their Bluetooth headphones. I'm not too familiar with the earbud style, but I'm more familiar with the headphone style. They are very good budget entry-level headphones, especially for those who are looking to save a little money but get a good sound for their dollar. So these are sport related, so they're good for people that like to run, work out. Features: true high def sound and deep bass. Oh, advanced noisy cancellation. Okay, we have to see that. IPX7 water resistance, built-in mic. Okay, well, since you have the specs right here, let's see what we got. Operating range 10 meters or about 33 feet. Standby time 220 hours. Charging time 1.5 hours. Talk playing time about 7 hours. 5-volt charging. Okay, so those are the quick specs. I like this case, and again I'm going with the red and black theme. I'm not sure why I'm liking this red and black on the earphones I've been showing lately. Mpow, pow, I like that. All right, so let's get this out of the box. How does this work? Is there a flap? What do we got? Okay, here's a flap right in front. I should have seen that. Let's open that with dramatic effect. Oh, wow. I like that carrying case. And we have some, let's put the box to the side. We have some, what do we got? Okay, we got the instruction manual, Bluetooth headphone, very easy to decipher. Yes, these are Bluetooth headphones. Tells you what's in the package, how to power them on and off, how to pair. How to charge the battery. Okay, pretty basic. Safety reminder: headphones can only be used or only be charged by 5-volt adapter USB ports only. Quick charging devices over 5 volts may cause heat and fire. So let's not try to use the quick charging bricks to charge these headphones. Just use a standard charger. Okay. So let's unzip that, see what we have on the inside. Okay. So we've got the headphones themselves. And this is a pretty sturdy case. It's not like plastic. It's, I don't know how you describe this material. It's not rubber. I don't know. It's like it's a durable shell. We'll call it that. And then up top here we've got ear tips. Not sure what that is. And your standard charging cable, USB, micro USB style cable. It's a standard USB. You can plug this into a brick or some type of other USB powered source, laptop, portable battery. Put that to the side. So let's put this up here for now. Let's see what we got here before we look at the headphones. What is this thingy? I got these big hands and these little packages. You know, it's a little struggle sometimes being 6'5" with these large basketball hands. All right, what do we got here? They look like some, yeah, foam tips. Okay, so these are like foam tips. As you can see, this was already just kind of distorted, but these are designed for, you know, pretty good comfort. Stick it in your ear, and the foam type will fit to your ear, kind of like a molded kind of connection. I like that. And then we have the standard replacement tips. Get these out of here. Come on. All right, so we got 2 sets of replacement tips. And this, okay, yeah, this is another cable management kind of device. You can run your cables through the slots so that you can shorten the cable if you so desire. Some people don't like to have cables hanging, they like to make it tight around their neck, especially when they're running, doing vigorous activities. Keep that cable in place. So you got small tips, medium tips. I think, well, it's hard to say what's on side, what size is on here. So we'll just say small, large, and the medium tips are probably the ones on the headphones themselves. All right, let's take a look at the headphones. Red and black. Unravel this. See how much cable we have to work with here. Is it long or is it short? Oh, it's not too long. Arrgh. I messed up my little design. Let me fix that. Okay, it's not too long. I'd say it is close to 2 feet, a little bit shorter. Red and black. These are labeled. Are they labeled left and right? Yep, they are labeled left and right. So you got, I don't know if you can see it, right and left. And you've got, you know, the tips here with the red accents, just like the replacements. You've got the Mpow. Oh, I got that upside down. Mpow. I like that. Mpow. That just makes it sound like it's sweet. It just makes it sound like you're about to have a serious listening experience. Mpow. The Mpow headphones. All right, so what do you think, guys? That looks good. That's a snazzy look. So you've got these hooks here that go around your ear to help the headphones stay in place. You've got plenty of room to get that all the way at your ear canal to form a nice seal. The advertisement on the box says they're noise canceling, so I suppose if you get those in there the right way, you can tune out some of the background noise so you can really hear your music and focus on what you're listening to. Mpow, I like that. Okay, on this one, this is the left side. On the right side, you've got a couple of controls here. Got a plus and a minus. So I'm going to just go out on a limb and say this is for volume up, volume down, maybe tracking, skipping, answering calls. I'm not sure what other kinds of controls there are. We have to test those out when we use them. Down here you've got the flap to insert your charging cable. Again, these are IP7 rated, so they are water resistant. I'm not sure how far the ratings go, so I'll have to investigate that myself. But there is some resistance, so you know, if you're out in the rain, you're building up a little bit of sweat during your workout, during your run, you don't have to worry about damaging your earphones. So, you know, initial impressions, this is a plastic case. Now it sounds a little hollow when you tap it, so it doesn't feel like has the best build quality. You can see the seams around where they've been molded. So it's not the most thick and heavily constructed plastic, But this part where the earphones start to go is much harder. They're much more, sorry about that. They're much harder, much more durable feeling. The cable itself is very thin. Again, I think it's designed to be lightweight, so it's not heavy on your neck, around your neck when you're wearing them for working out or just for casual listening. You want to minimize as much fatigue when using headphones, wireless headphones especially, as possible. Since they're not going over your head, they're going to be in your ears. Gravity's going to be pulling this down, as well as the cable. So you want to have as much comfort as possible. So they try to make these cables light. It does feel at the where they terminate to the actual headphones. I'd be careful when you take these on and off. It seems like the proper type of pull or tug could damage the connection. We'll test them out in the real world and see how they stand up. But these are the Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones. You get these on Amazon. The link is below in the description. Right now, right around $20, maybe $22. I have to double check. But yeah, good value, budget. How do they sound? How will they hold up? What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you already have these, let me know your thoughts. Part 2 is going to be coming up with the actual review, real world testing. And what we'll do is once we get done with these earphones, we're going to pit them against each other. How they sound compared to one another, and see, for your Christmas shopping, which ones you might want to buy. Again, these are the Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones. We'll be back with another video, part 2, to let you know how they are in the real world. Thanks again for joining. We appreciate you so much. If you like this video, push that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell so you know when we are on. As always, take care.